am. She's not feeling good at all. I'm sick right now. We're gonna do something today. We're going to clean my room. Stay tuned, bro. It's pretty rough. I need to start by taking pictures for my Poshmark. So I'm just gonna grab all that stuff really quick. Ooh, honey! It's been a minute since I filmed it because I took a break, and I went to help my mom with some stuff and dropped my brother off at work. But I'm gonna finish cleaning my room right now, and it's dark right now, so it's great. But I will. It's gonna happen. Good morning, guys. It is 2 days later because I didn't get to finishing my room, but we still have the same mess we had before, and I'm going to finish it today. So let's get started. I'm going to start on my vanity so I can put stuff on it off the floor so I can get the floor done and then just work my way out. So let's get to that. Guys, it's a bit later and I took a break for like an hour and a half and I watched a movie, and then I came back up here and I cleaned my room some more, so I'm gonna show you an update of what it looks like. So this is the closet. I have everything up there, like a lot of stuff, and then we have these clothes right here, and then we have just all of this and my dirty clothes. So then we have my bedding here, and then this little Yo Gabba Gabba backpack. And then I have some bedding here that I need to add to because, yeah, but that's the closet. But first, I'm going to change because I'm still in my pajamas and it's 4 p.m. So I'm gonna do that. I'm all dressed and I'm gonna finish my room. So. Got you. 10 years to put up. What's up, guys? So I just finished my room finally. I did not video the rest of it because I just needed to get it done because I have to leave for my dad's in like a half hour, so I finally got most of it done. I need to wash my bed covers and just fold them and stuff and take out the trash, but mostly everything's done besides that, so I'm going to give you the overview of my room. So I'm outside of my room right now, and I'm about to walk in and show you everything. So here we go. So here's my room. My bed is completely done. I just gotta wash everything. And then you come over here, and it's all clean over here, except you have to take out my trash, obviously. And then over here, it's all clean. I gotta throw away those blinds because they fell off my window. And then over here, I cleaned all of this off. Those are stuff I need to give to my mom. I don't know what that is. My water, and then like the trash bucket I keep up there. And then you come over here, and my rollerblades that I never use but keep out anyway. I drew that in art class with some friends. And then right here is just one of my dog's beds that I just keep in here because it's like broken because my dog chewed it up right there. And then my bag because I'm leaving for my dad's. And then in here, there's still a little bit of work to do, but it's pretty organized and stuff. So I just have my bathrobe, and I got all of that done. This is okay organized, like clothes. I still need to find a place for my sports bras. There's my jewelry I need to move someplace. The same thing that was right there. I just shoved a book, a pen, and this picture up here. And then there's just some bags down here, but that's everything. So I just wanted to let everybody know like how pretty this is, and it's like color coordinated and everything. Okay, let me show you this. Well, I hung all of my necklaces that I just got from my mom, and they're really pretty, and the tacks are color coordinated. So there's a blue on each side, and there's a pink on each side, and those purples, and then there's one yellow. And that's the only gold necklace I have here, which is why I did that. Like, go me. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment for ideas, because I'm still out of ideas. But if you want me to do more of these, just comment down below and just say that you want more of these. And I'll see you next week in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Oh, my hair's so flowy, and I love scrunchies right now. Looks cute. Look. That nose highlight. Look at that nose highlight. Ready? It's gonna be a thumbnail. Like really stupid, but like it's okay. Okay, for real now. Love you guys. Bye.